Hey girl, hey, what is going on? It is your girl Shay. You are tuning into MakeupShae. Of course, how you doing? Let me put on some lip gloss first, because this right here is not, this ain't it, sis. Alright, I'm using the A&B Lavish. This is the Juicy Gloss in the shade Nicky Yum. Nicky Yum. I'm just going to put this on right quick so we can get this video started. But how are y'all doing? I hope wherever y'all at in the world, everything is going good. So if this is your first time liking, commenting, sharing anything on my channel, you guys, I want to give a big shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please join the family by hitting that subscribe button down below, as well as that notification bell, so you can be notified every time your girl uploads a video. If y'all are on my OG subscribers, what it do, cuz? What's up? What is going on? I'm sorry I'm coming on here looking like I'm looking, y'all, but mama tired, mama cold. So, and I had to put this video out, or get this video out, because it's planned on my calendar. So without further ado, let's get into this video, y'all. See you in the next clip. Stay tuned. Okay, if you made it this far in the video, welcome. So today's video, we are getting into my Boxycharm for the month of February. I just got mine in the mail a couple of days ago. Which was it? On the 18th, I think. Nope, on the 16th. I got it on the 16th of February. So I had other videos to film prior to this, so I wasn't able to film it as soon as I got it, but we about to do it today. So this is my Boxycharm for February, and we are getting into all the things that I got, and then in another video we are going to do a whole look with, hopefully we could do a look with everything that is in the box. If not, then we just can't, you know what I'm saying? So for those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a makeup beauty subscription box. It has things from nail care, hair care, skin care, and makeup. So they have 3 different tiers. They have Boxycharm, which is $25, the base box. They have Boxy Luxe, and they have Boxy Premium. I will have all the information for that down below if you guys are interested. I have the base box for Boxycharm. I'm thinking about going into the other box, but I'm not sure yet. So yeah, let's get into what is inside the box. Oh, and I do want to touch on one more thing. I said it in a previous video. I am thinking about doing reaction videos, like watching short films or short horror films, just different kind of short films in general, and then just sitting and y'all watching me react to the video, what I think about the video, etc, etc. If that is something y'all are interested in, let me know down below in the comment boxes, and I'll get right on it, because I really want to do it. It's either that and do it while I'm applying my makeup, or just watching it and reacting to it. So whichever you guys want to watch, let me know down below. So going into my Boxycharm, I already untaped it for the sake of time. We are going inside the first product. I do not know what is inside the box, but this is what the box looks like when you open it up, and then this is how it is when you open it fully. So they always have a card that lets you know what is inside and the theme for the box. So let's get into that. So this month's Boxycharm theme is Boxycharm XOXO. The card looks like this, and everything on the back lets you know what is inside the box, your variation, and how much everything retails for in stores. So the first thing we are going to do is lift up this, and the first thing I see is an eyeshadow palette. So we are going to open that up and see what eyeshadow palette is, which I already know because I chose it for my choice item, which I'm so glad Boxycharm started doing that. I wish they could let you do one more choice item, but hey, beggars can't be choosers. I mean, you know, they got to make their money, honey. So this is the Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette. It looks like this. And it says this nostalgia palette consists of 15 colors that are meant to inspire fun and creativity, and to perhaps make you feel nostalgic about some awesome past fun times. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. It lets you know the ingredients and all that stuff. You can check them out at acebeauty.com. The outside of the package, the inside of the package looks just like the box of the package. It looks just like that. And I love the greens and the oranges and the yellows. It makes me want to do a look. I think I'm going to do a St. Patrick's Day look with this palette, depending on what the colors look like. But if it got colors that's on the cover, then I'll be getting into those. So opening up the palette, I'm gonna put this that way. So these are the colors in the palette, and yes, I see some St. Patrick's Day colors. So those are the colors in the palette. So I already see that green, that yellow, and this orange. I'll make a beautiful St. Patrick's Day look. So I think that's what I'm gonna do for my next video. I'm going to use it, and I like the names of the palette: Beach, Popsicle, Stargazing, Theme Park, Water Slide, Heat, Raspberry, Picnic, Camping, Fun, Flower, Vacation, Flip-Flops, Carnival, and Hiking. All good things for nostalgia, past times that you can remember that you've been to, all your memories and all that stuff. So this is one of the items on the palette, in the box, and then I will let you guys know how much everything costs and about them at the end. I just want to show you guys for right now, and then tell you the full retail value of the package. Remember, I only paid $25 for this package, for this beauty subscription. So of course at least one or two items are paid for the box itself, and then everything else is pretty much free. So let's go on to our next item. Opening the box again. And y'all know I always use these to clean off my brushes when I'm in the middle of doing my makeup. So I just put that right in front of me most times. So the next item that we are going to pull out is in a box. What is this? Lube cream? No, it is not. It is not, you guys. Okay, so this is the Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. This says it's paraben free, sulfate, sulfates, mineral oil, petroleum, formaldehyde releasing preservatives, triclosan, retinol, gluten, and synthetic fragrance. We are cruelty free. So it's clean and effective, and it says powered by pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel. This deeply exfoliating scrub helps purify pores to minimize the look of blackheads. Lactic acid and gentle hibiscus flower polishes pores. Probiotics, raspberry leaf, and pomegranate reveals smoother and softer skin. So this is what that packaging looks like. And then on the inside it says unleash your glow, Tula. And then this is what the packaging looks like. So just nice and blue packaging right here. So yeah, I have a lot of skincare stuff already, but I'm gonna use that when I can. All right, so going into the box again, we have the Beautycrop. This is the Coco Gold Mist Hydrating Setting Mist. It says shake well before use, and then it has it in different languages. Spray it. What? Spraying always test on a small area of skin before full application. So it's alcohol free, enriched with something and hyaluronic acid, cruelty free, vegan, no parabens. So yeah, you're supposed to, it looks like this. As y'all can see, you got the gold flakes. It reminds me of that Versali one that I have with the gold flakes. I don't know if this is gold flakes or sparkles, but you're supposed to shake it up really good. It looks like glitter. Yeah, it looks like glitter. And if it is, I'm not keeping this. I will not be keeping this. If this is glitter, I'm not keeping it. And I feel like it's glitter. So I don't think I will be keeping this. I will be giving this away in a future giveaway. So y'all look out for that. Or I might just give it to my twin if she doesn't already have this. So twin, if you got Boxycharm and you don't have this, let me know. So yeah, there's that item. Then the next item, so that's 3. We should have 2 more. Next item we have is this it looks like it is a brush set from Glamierre. Let me open it. Not much information about that one, but this is what the packaging looks like. It does have that plastic scent to it, which it's giving me a headache. And it comes with 4 brushes that looks like this. And then it has clear handle with some liquid in it, and it has hearts. So I don't think I'll be keeping this either. I will probably put this in a giveaway. So if y'all are interested in that, y'all stay tuned, subscribe to my channel so we can get this giveaway going. So as soon as I reach 1,600 subscribers, I mean 1,600, yeah, 16K, not 16K, 1.6K, then I will be doing a giveaway. So if you guys are interested, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn your notification bell on so you'll be notified when I post the giveaway information. So we have one more item in the box, and it is, like I said, they do nail care and everything. So this is the NCLA treatment. This is the So Rich Vitamin E infused coconut oil, cuticle oil. It looks like this. Let me shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it. It looks like this, and it has hearts in it as well. So I will be keeping this because y'all do know that I do my nails sometimes, which I'm trying to get into. I'm just waiting for a few things to come into the mail, so when they do finally come in, I can start doing my nails for you guys, doing different hacks with nails and how to do cheap nails and all that jazz. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure again you subscribe to my channel and you hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do post those nail hack videos and just doing my nails in general. So I see that it has like a rosy scent to it. It has pink holographic sparkles, and it has red, pink sequence hearts, holographic hearts, whichever one you want to call it. So let us go into reading how much they are and about the products, and then at the end I will tell you guys my retail and my thoughts on the box. Okay, so I already read about the Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette. So that one would retail for, okay, give me a second. That one would retail for $38.99. So that already paid for the box and then some. So the Tula Skincare, it says, got pores, get this, created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel. This scrub helps targets blackheads to deeply, give me a second, Bella, and minimize the looks of pores. That one retails for $32, so pretty much you got that one for free. The next item that was up is the Beautycrop Coco Gold Mist. It says this hydrating fine mist envelopes skin in moisture and helps set and refresh your makeup look. Coco Gold Mist includes a delicate amount of gold pearlescent shimmer that imparts a radiant glow while boosting hydration. That one retails for $14.99. So Glamierre Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. It says glittery, enchanting, and fun. This set features 4 essential eye brushes. Ultra soft duo synthetic bristles make blending easy and flawless. That retails for $29.95. And that's probably because it has the glitter in the handle and the whole sequence holographic stuff. So the last up, we have the NCLA Beauty So Rich Love Potion. It says your heart is limited edition Valentine's Day cuticle oil. The cult favorite So Rich formula contains safflower seed oil and vitamin E to hydrate and nourish your cuticles. That retails for $18. So all in all, my retail value for my box is So all in all, I really did like the box. It only had one makeup items to me that I will use, and everything else was like skincare and other care. So, but I will be using everything but 2 of the items, so they will be in my giveaway box. So as I said, look forward to that. Other than that, I liked everything else in the box, and I do think it was worth the $25 because one product alone pretty much paid for the box and gave you some change to leave with. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my Boxycharm review. My Boxycharm unboxing is probably already late. Everybody probably already got their boxes, but I just wanted to unbox mine and let you guys know which one I got. And I got the variation C2102012BA. That's different. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you stay tuned for other videos, and if you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you join a part of the family, and make sure you tap that bell so you can be notified every time I upload another video. So without further ado, I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye you guys.